Hi there, I'm going to do a review of these, the Chameau gaiters. It's the basic 2, it's the cheaper of the 2 that they currently do. It's waterproof, it's breathable, has the usual sort of gaiter features, but it's got extra ones as well. So nice quality features. Chameau is a very high quality Wellington boot brand, amongst other things. But the main feature you can see on this is it actually has a wire understrap that goes under your foot, under the plantar surface of your foot. It has a hook to go onto the laters, or if your boots like mine have an eyelet on the top for the hook to go onto. It is a waterproof, as I say, breathable membrane, and it has 2 types of fastening. It has the zip fastening. Sorry, this is Cornwall here. This is a beautiful sunny January day. Frost this morning, but warming up nicely now. The surfers won't be happy, absolutely flat calm. So it's got Velcro fastening on the outside, and then on the inside it has a zip. So you're going to be one truly stuck in these, no chance of coming undone. Some cheaper brands are just Velcro, others are just zips, but this has the advantage of the strength and the waterproofing of having that extra flap. At the top end is a toggle to tighten up the cuff. Now, this is actually the main reason I bought these. I actually have very large calves, 45 centimetre, and these are the only ones I have actually found so far that fit them. I'll show you that in a moment. It has elasticated base to it. It has elasticated ankle and semi-elastic top with the toggle as well. So that's just about all the main features. I'll pop them on, you can see what they look like, and you can see the fit and how they get on with my big old calves. Right, there you go. So that's Chameau gaiters basic 2s, waterproof, breathable, metal strap under the heels. I got these from the Sportsman gun shop in Exeter. They're a superb shop. I don't shoot, but they do sell excellent equipment that is good for outdoor, all sorts of outdoor pursuits. In my case, it's my walking and my outdoor photography and aerial work. So hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you another time.